Yo, what's up mga kaps? It's another SB19 video and yun, syempre, no, Biggie Boy po. And papanoorin natin ngayon, no, yung We Saw Alliance City. Nag-live ako last night eh. However, hindi ko siya masyadong napanood, no. Kasi puro chismis eh. But we were going to react, no, for this video. So yun mga kaps, hindi ko na ito patatagalin. Simulan na natin. Arrival at Singapore. Currently na nasa ulap. Safely landed.
Dito na kami sa Singapore.
Ano pa eh, puyat pa. Naidlip sa ano, sa van.
It's wait, it's a gold foil.
Oh.
It's a gold foil. Gold. It's a gold. Oh. Nasa kabila pala yung drive nito, no?
Oo.
So look here, sir. Yeah. Welcome to Singapore.
Thank you. Yung vibe ng Singapore parang magbabakasyon lang.
Pati sa pagsagot eh, no, sabay.
Parang hindi ako mag-concept. Malamig ba? Feeling ko yung lamig lang sa loob ng ano na katawan. Bakit tayo lumakay pa ng eroplano? Eh nasa Laguna lang pala to.
Philippine Embassy visit here at the PH Embassy in Singapore. Jose Rizal. Bisita pa mga youth and Central Rizal Ambassadors. Oh. Pinunong Pablo. And Amo Ken. Oh, it's Kulintang, no? Ken saying at the oh, I guess Kulintang is more on Mindanao area. Tama po ba? May mga subscribers po tayo, tama ba? From Mindanao, no, 'di ba? So 'yun, kung tama po ako, no? Alam ko mostly na ganun na instrument ay nasa Mindanao. Right.
Welcome to the embassy. Welcome to the embassy. Welcome to the embassy. Welcome.
Hindi si Ate Leia. Dapat si Ate Leia nag-welcome.
This is for all of us. Medyo mas
we
are so anyway, welcome again. Welcome to Singapore. We are happy that it is a sold out concert.
For H.E. Medardo Makaraig.
It's something that we are proud of. I'm not from your generation, but everyone else, all Filipinos are proud of you. Even my mother, she knows SB19. So alam niya yung mga kwan, sabi niya magaling yung magrupong yun. But again, it's not just your generation, but it's not just your the Filipinos who are proud of you. So practically the whole of ASEAN, the whole of Southeast Asia is proud of you as one of the contributions to art and culture.
Maganda po yung sinabi niyo yung parang angle. Actually parang before po kasi medyo hindi namin alam para sabihin na Southeast Asian ano. So, parang lagi syempre mas inaano po namin yung front po yung Filipino. Hindi po namin alam na may reception din po pala yung Southeast Asian countries. So check po namin yung ganong angles din po for trying to promote.
And not just Southeast Asia.
Happy and proud of.
You make us proud.
Wow. Whoa. Maraming salamat po PH Embassy in Singapore.
Kung ikaw ay magiging isang bayani. Nakita niyo yung yung trailer ni Manuel L. Quezon. Ganda.
Opo.
Pati yung scoring ang galing no. Anong kanta 'yun?
Parang Bullet Enjoyer.
Ano ba yun?
Bullet Dumas. Activated.
Harap po.
Thank you po.
Tay-tay ah. Kirisal.
Close kayo.
Almost all Singaporeans they have their own business.
Ano sa po ba ang pag-put up ng business dito?
MediaCon. Well, waiting na umakyat. Oh, isa siyang chibol na looking sa kanyang area.
Kung ano yung mga natin doon,
You can get...
yung media na magtatanong. So parang
You can get what?
Baka ba silang nanonood?
Baka may side kasi gano'n.
Eh, lifeguard.
Lang yan pag ganyan.
Ang layo na yung lifeguard, tapos nakasalamin.
I don't remember anything.
they showed me all.
Ito, yung binigay niya ako sa UST.
Yung inamoy niya yung deodorant.
Parang I guess napanood natin yun, yung acting ni Ja na yun, yung film niya, no?
Elementary pa yun.
Ano ba isa?
Commercial ako ng ano.
SB19 in
Singapore!
Justin! Josh! Pablo! Stel! And Ken!
Ken. MediaCon starts. Ito, napanood din natin yung interview na to. Tama ba? Oo, napanood din natin yung interview na yan. They also did series of interviews. Please watch out for them.
So guys, hindi pala
SME Singapore office visit. Ito lang yung video.
Nandito kami sa isang building where in sa 24th floor yung
Taas.
floor ng zone. And this is our second day here in Singapore. Wala kaming free day.
Oh, grind lang ng grind.
Okay, bye-bye.
Ano kaya ginagawa niya? Different emotion in a second. Whoa! Sony Music Singapore.
It's my second time here.
Oh, second time na ni Sob.
Yeah, you guys. Yeah, you can just go in and then we'll get the media set up.
SB19 photo preset.
Yeah, one of our important artists. We've been here since day one. Since
Wow, thank you so much.
They are so proud of SB19, guys.
Kid Leroy.
Grabe oh. For sure mga bigatin yung mga nandiyan. Yung mga nakalagay dito sa walls na to. Along with the SB19. Bakit may orderan na nagaganap?
Ting bilis lang. Pwede rin yung pogi yung ano sa amin.
Hindi ako nil.
Ay, ko ba yung pogi dito?
Balikan ko na.
Narinig ko raw doon lang.
Wala ka nang ibang makikita dyan. Nag-iisa lang.
May naghahalong kata na rep. Gutom na si Pablo?
Di ba? Pwede ako mga sarap.
Tama na. SB, mag-brief na po.
Sige, apaw. Oh, muntik pa.
Okay lang. Listen na lang kayo. Okay.
Hindi na pasok siya. More interviews. Yeah. At sila pa nag-water ng chairs for the interviews. Oh, bait. Sipag na SB19 talaga, oh. May mga simple gesture na ganyan talagang, di ba? Talaga naman masisipag sila. May iba kasi na mga artists, ayan na grabe no, yung simpleng ganyan lang, hindi pa magawa talaga yung aasa pa sa ano. Pero yun, it's a nice to see na SB19 is doing their this kind of actions or gestures. And they did series of interviews here too. Oh. And more interviews. And more interviews. Ang dami. And more interviews. Grabe, parang buong isang araw sila nandun, ini-interview. And balik naman. And syempre, babalik sa pinanggaling ng mga ginawa nila. Konting side lang naman yung na bago. Kalat mo, ligpit mo. It's definitely dapat gano'n naman talaga. No? So, once na nasa fast food tayo, nasa mga lugar na alam naman natin na dapat alam na natin kung paano linisin, no? Tulong na lang din natin yon sa mga crews and whatsoever no? Kahit sa mga maliliit na food stall, mga food businesses, no? Kung alam natin na dapat natin itapon yung mga kalat natin, tayo na yung magtapon. So, yun. Okay, tuloy natin. Man of Steel nga siya. Ang bangit. Over na sa so. Alright. Okay. Some of the Sony music. Ano daw? Bitin ko Hindi ko nabasa. Saan dami yun? Okay. Executive siya nandun. Dito daw po ang busking.
Next spot for busking.
Mama Sani.
No, so welcome to our Singapore office, also our Asian regional office. I wanted maybe to ask you guys to so one by one, everyone, this is SB19.
This is SB19, yeah.
Josh, come up on stage. This is Josh.
Go, Josh!
Josh is the most charismatic member of the group. And this is Justin. He is the director of SB19. This is Pablo. He's the leader.
He's the leader, vice president. The bad boy of the dance floor.
Bad boys. And this is Kel.
Ang boss maldita princess ng SB ng Las Piñas.
An
SB19.
That means these are all the big bosses of Sony Music Asia. He actually wanted to surprise.
Isang karangalan ko.
Yes, surprise!
Wow.
This is to commemorate 150 million streams across all DSP platforms.
Yes, I guess it's also congratulations to all of us, no? Kasi the 150 million streams is also part of 18, no? For sure, maraming nagpuyat, no? Kasama tayo dyan sa mga nagpuyat for stream, no? Kahit anong ginagawa natin, nagluluto, naglalaban, nasa CR, nag-i-stream tayo. So, anyway, congratulations to SB19 and 18, no? For that award.
This is for Simulan Wakas, your fastest streaming EP.
Yes.
Yeah. So congratulations, and shall we take a photo? Yes.
Trophies.
Across your career, you've actually streamed over 1.5 billion streams. So that is another thing.
Wow! Milestones over milestones. Building streams.
Here and 1, 2, 3.
The bosses. The big boss and executives. Thank you, Sony Music Entertainment Fam. Hello si Day. Nag-day na siya dito. Loko-loko talaga eh. Magaling siya. Ang cute ni Tay pag magagana no? Parang niya ginagawa yun.
Umis ka po siya sa mga usapan. Umis ka po.
Media Corp 987 FM Radio. Parang ito yung naalala ko to kagabi. Dito sila yung may mga kinain sila, no? Tapos ang galing nung dito, nung host ng DJ.
Station live to, manood kayo sana. Pero pag in-upload to, wala na napanood ko kami. Okay. Sana may galing ang show.
Yung picture lang po tayo.
Tuloy-tuloy na naman siya magsalita.
We'll go on air. Game na po.
Oink.
Game na.
To Dubai as well? Yeah. Justin!
Sarap nito talaga. Natikman mo ba ito, Ate Lea? Pineapple biscuit.
Oh, pineapple biscuit.
At hindi mo pa rin nakagat.
I guess it's sweet, no? Kasi pineapple biscuit yun.
Nihintay ko reaction mo eh. You're nothing. Para sex.
Tampalok yan na may biscuit.
Sister Leia, we're going to live everyone over here. They'll be filming their content.
Gusto niya makatulog, gamit ko.
Ice Gems, no? Isa yan sa mga favorite natin ng ating childhood, mga batang 90s.
I don't know.
Okay, one.
Okay, 1, 2.
Like you
when you're sleeping.
Ba't ay parang dinosaur si Pablo?
Okay, the next one.
Okay, next one. Is this low? Who's the lowest?
Lowest, no, you can sing.
Dito ka, gano'n ka.
Wala naman. Okay. That's my lowest. That's my lowest, sorry. Oh, yun eh, lowest ko eh. Bakit ko nagreklamo? Sorry ha! Okay! Sorry kung napakan ko yung low. Nababahing siya. Nababahing siya. Nagko mo naman ang tunog.
Gusto ko ulitin nyo sa akin?
Ito naman? Wala naman ito premyo.
Pero kay Pao parang digay.
Your tummy. I think it's
para aso lang ka.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough again.
Hello everyone, so we're here at 987
Yan naman ang
Media
sobrang angas eh.
What's this? News station. So we're here for an interview and a TikTok live. So
lagyan ba natin ito ng ano?
that's it.
Generated.
There's a lot of people in here. It's kind of a bit noisy. It's kind of a bit like chaotic in here. But that's what makes us SB19. Yeah, and we got the ring light. We got
the Jonah na naman siya.
And we got some headphones. We got camera.
Ate Jonah talaga?
Second seed, Ekaterina Alexandrova beats defending champion Linda Noskova 7-6, 4-6, 6-2.
Ate Jonah.
Open on Thursday to secure her place in the semifinals of the US Open event. Alexandrova, 15th in the world ranking, started the decider brightly with 2 tightly contested sets, while Czech Noskova fought back to level 2-all and the Russian.
Eh si Ken, the coffee king. It's not Ken, hindi nag-coffee.
Bagong gising.
Asmer.
Asmer?
Yeah.
Ano pang meaning ng ASMR?
So you want to listen to some audio
ASMR meaning.
Audio sensation mechanic radio.
Wala siya. Ano pang meaning ng ASMR?
Asosasyon ng sambayan na...
Okay, this video is an ASMR video.
Labo. Rumapang.
Just talaga very competitive. F na F ang pag-ASMR. Oh. Sarap po. Lamot. Elegant lang. Boss Maldita Princess. Sino na ganun si Ken? Grabe yun. Hey, that's the beautiful DJ. Si Ken.
You guys. Have a good dinner.
Oh, it's content shoot. Alright.
laman na.
Oh, what's inside your bag?
May laman to. Pinaka-importante.
Naalala ko to.
Passport. ATM.
Cellphone. Bidet.
Seryoso ba yan?
Bidet. Bidet.
Content starts. Okay.
I mean, pero this one's Autry. Pero same branding sila. Parang worn out.
I know.
Kononam pala.
I mean, people don't get Golden Goose kasi parang sabi nila.
Kukunin na natin fashion team. Yeah. Start briefing them of what is going to happen. Right? Ah, okay. Ito yung nag-TikTok ng Dongka. Ayan. Buti pwede yung mga ganun dun, you know. Film in silence, by the way. Galing! Buti pwede yung ganun, no? Do they need permit in this kind of situation? Alright! Okay na to. Alright! Ay, popost ko lang ng konti, no? Kasi baka ma-copyright tayo. Anyway, Dongka by Anyway, dyan, kasi hindi mo makilala yung mga tao dyan. Kayo ang kilala ng mga tao. Great job, team! Oh, there's a fan, no? What is it? Merlion, shoot, okay. Oh. Pablo. Hey. Ano kaya ang feeling, no? Ano kaya ang feeling?
Te.
Ethan King.
No, it's really easy. I promise.
TikTok with Haven.
Is that you? Yes, that's me. Tama ba lahat?
Who's this one? Si Haven, oo. Pero saan? Taga Singapore siya?
Sige.
More tends to shoot pa.
Break time ba muna?
Inita na siya.
Recess o ano? SB boys?
Jolan na kaya. Where the other members? The Vice President. So the CEO is Pablo. Who is the President? So Vice President si Ja. So sa President siguro si Josh. Sa 1V. Yeah! Dito na tay-tay eh, oh.
Hindi kasi maano yung recipe niyan eh.
Ay.
Yung recipe.
Angas talaga na itong mga uwak mo. Uwak din ba sa Tagalog?
Oh, yan ko yung uwak sa dam. Yeah, yeah, it's uwak.
Oh yeah.
Yeah! It's umaaligid.
Mine is declining, so I can't do that.
Declining na basis.
All natural.
Let's go.
Oh, wow.
Chunji.
Ayan.
Parang Chunji.
Di pa natutulog yan.
Yeah. Ay. Another content shoot. It's 8 on ball, no? Tapos andun sila sa mga balls. Malaking stainless ball ba yan? Ganda, no? Paano nila yung pinapakinis, no? Parang walang alikabok. Hi.
Lunch. Oh, it's Macau.
Lunch po muna, ang dami nilang ginawa.
No.
Oh.
No.
Try.
Guys, go na.
Wow, ano yun? Oh. Ah, ito yung... Ito yung kinain ni Tay kagabi. Nakita ko na to. It's parang ano... liempo? Pork liempo? Or... basta. Parang di mo...
Konti lang, Miss Ross.
Okay. You can decide.
Whatever color you want.
Legend. Come by Justin. Justin. Ocean Eyes.
Ayun pala, tea.
Meow, meow, meow. Kala ko, di ko kuha.
Akala ko, self-serve pala.
Oh.
Yes, I want some, get some tea.
Sabi ni Tay, gusto mo sumabog ang mukha mo.
What kind of tea is that?
Ano yung what the song is all about? So, bukas after ng show.
Again, guys, they served you 2 chopsticks. The outside one or the black one. Served
Evil one.
as the serving chopstick. So you use it to get the food, and then this one you use it to eat. So earlier, that
Really close to
you don't see anything. It's pork.
yes. You don't see anything. Masarap to?
The more you know. Ayun.
Get some. Let's get some.
You know, yung parang lumpiang
If you
sariwa.
turn the wheel, turn the wheel.
Lazy Susan.
The Lazy Susan, you must turn it. Hirap naman.
Ano? Don't change the rotation.
Oh.
Yeah.
Don't change the rotation.
Tama na ang video-video. See? It's a face.
Ang mga susunod na sequence is just still doing mukbang. Sarap. Actually, don't know what he's eating. Para siyang ano, no? Tingin ko parang lumpiang gulay, no? Dito sa atin. So, syempre yun. Ito yung buko. Ang ganda ng buko. Coconut juice, oh. Grabe yung pagkaka-carb, no? Grabe. Ang galing no, ang ganda ng carb nila ng buko. Dito, tapyas-tapyas lang sa gilid, eh. Tapos ito, no, makikita mo, ang kintab ba? Diba? Then, it's already had a straw. Yan. Yan ang ganda, oh. Nagagandahan talaga ako, oh. Ang ganda, napaka-premium. No? Napaka-premium. Buko juice lang yun, ha. Only buko, ha. Sa atin, ha. Oh, ito, ano na to. Ano yan, parang, ano yung nilagay niya? Parang sweet, di ba? Parang sweet, parang ano?
Shuyo.
Sweet na sauce. Sarap ng kain ng tete, oh. Okay, nakain din pala yun, yung parang balat. Gulay siguro siya. Oh, ito yung ano, lechon. Oh, sarap. Lechon Macau. Ito yung kinain ng Jaring kanina. Sarap po. Dumpling. Sarap ng dumpling nila doon. Bigla ako nagutom, no? Alright. Miss Independent ko ako. Ito maganda doon, igiling-giling background song. Kulit talaga nito eh.
Bakit naging successful ang Singapore?
Mm-hmm.
Kasi dahil nasa, parang tayo medyo similar sa Philippines. Nasa ano sila yung parang shipment, port. Sila talaga magana pang ano nila. Parang tinake advantage nila ang trading sa entire world. Kaya napabilis nila yung economy dito. Kasi sila ang point country when it comes to logistics. Napakabilis. At sayang, kasi pwede natin gawin sa Philippines yun. Pero napakagaling ng dito nila, future-proofing sa lahat. Kahit para siyang maliit na country, parang city nga lang siya. Ano makikita mo kung gaano siya ka progressive at kayaman ang economy. Second highest GDP ata ito. Diba? Nerd stuff. Nerd stuff by Josh Collins.
At naisip pa nga between busy skills in SG, the essential met creator of Hirono. What is Hirono? Design their tote bags.
Hirono ba?
Meron siya nung...
Hirono doodle pa. Oh, okay. So, Hirono is an artist siguro?
Hero.
Wow, thank you so much.
Cool.
Thank you.
From the
Happy
artist
cake.
itself. Amazing.
Justin's, right?
Ah, inulit niya.
Thank you
Galing.
so much. Another one.
You took photos too. Alright. Rehearsal with... Oh, si Aruma na. Okay. It's Aruma. This is the first time they met Aruma.
Yeah.
Very close.
Today?
Not using the key.
Okay, silent K. So it's the normal way. Okay. So we should do that.
Yeah. This version is very parang nung nauna ko siya napakinggan, napaka-calm niya lang, no? Perfect good pronunciation. Lala.
Itong shouting na
Is it? But it's okay. Hawatir is okay.
We want to be Indonesian so bad.
Si Aruma para siyang yung typical tropa mo na basta parang ganon si Aruma. Hindi siya mahiyain din, no? Parang ganon yung personality niya. Yay! Yan na ba yung tinatawag na vocal boy na gulan? Yung gusto ko kay Tay, sarap talaga gayahin ng boses ni Tay. No? Ito yung alam ko nagtagalog si si Aruma eh. Ate, kaya disiping the crowd.
Di ba ano yan?
Coach Jay, kasama nila, no? Basking in Singapore. Alright, nagpapatula si Pablo kay Ken ko paano.
Baba mo lang to. Saging ba saging? Baba mo lang yan. Pakisumpot mo. Hindi ka na may feel uncomfortable pa. Pag nakaangat yung pants mo.
Ako nagubad.
Feel ko para kasi akong nasa lifeline.
Or wala po. Wala, okay na to. Buhay ka naman.
Wala.
Sige, okay na po. Kailan ka lang natuto magpapahanap po.
High school pa ako, gito na ako mag-pants. Pakita lang mga...
Baston mo dati.
Baston. Kaya nga.
Nakababa? Angas mo naman.
High school pa lang ako, gano'n ako mag-dance.
Nakasok ka ba?
Para akong sinasakal sa tiyan.
Kasi nahigit ka nahigit.
Yun yung nakasanayan niya eh.
Para pagtatae siya, upo na lang. Yun agad.
Grabe yung OA naman. Nakapatong na nakaganon.
Alright.
Yung school uniform na ano, yung sa amin kasi brown, ay ano, khaki. Beige siya, tapos dito, fit na fit, tapos pa ganun.
Oh, Jobs, kohi ka ha. Kohi ka, Jobs.
Nagtip pa ng road manager nila. Then finally Ken. Daming tao. Dito pa lang parang concert na eh. Basking pa lang eh. Super daming tao. Ayun mga grabe. Daming tao, puno.
Si Jobs!
Jobs, pinagkakaguluhan ka, Jobs! Konti.
Ang konti alis pa para raw kasi nababato. May babatukan.
Ano ba gagawin? Master, apa naman natin?
Ano ko, gaya master?
Gumaya sa akin.
Agawan base po,
Gumaya sa akin last. Hindi ka mabatukan.
Hey! There's siya.
Bigat na sapatos ko.
Mga dance move talaga ni Ken, no? Angas eh. Nakapitikan eh. Nakailang take siya pero walang pinos. Ken yan eh. Photoshoot din yung isa bago bumalik ng hotel. Alright. Okay! Alright, that was SB19. We saw a Lion City, no? Part 1, yung kanilang vlog, no, dito sa Singapore. So, that's it, no? That's all mga kaps. Magkita-kita tayo ulit sa mga susunod na video, sa mga bagong padpad po dito sa channel. Ako po si Miggy Boy. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Ayun, balik po kayo dito ha. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo palagi. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, no? At yun, no, subscribe po sana kayo dito sa channel natin para makakita pa ng mga ibang mga updates of OPM artists. So yun mga kaps, ingat kayo palagi and God bless.